plane wreck. Welcome to the airplane crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Now this set here includes a very real 747 aircraft just on your left-hand side. The Paramount production purchased this plane from the Mojave Desert. There's an airplane graveyard out there. They separated it into 4 pieces and took the top of the plane off so that it could fit on flatbed trucks under the California overpasses. The original plan, via Steven Spielberg and his production designer Rick Carter, was to put the top of that plane back on, but once they got it here, they realized it looks much more ominous with no victims and all the empty seats, right? So your imagination is imagining your own worst case scenario of what could have happened during this alien invasion.
When we first began to sit down to talk about the War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep pressing me.